Hello and welcome. Today we are going to show you the demo of the module, Product Features Images. This module allows you to enrich the product page, as well as the Quick View dialog box, with a customizable display of feature images or icons and their values. The installation of the module can be done through the button Upload a Module by selecting the zip file of the module. In our case, we have already installed the module, so we will go directly to the configuration and setup of this latter. To begin, we need to identify the features to which we will assign images. As an example, we will take this t-shirt and we will assign compositions and a property to it. This t-shirt has three types of compositions: polyester, wool, and cotton. And it has the property short sleeve. We will then assign an image to each of these features or feature values. To do this, simply go to the Features tab under the section Attributes and Features. It should be noted that the order of displaying the images of the features follows the same order of positions of the features. On the other hand, the order of displaying the images of the features values follows the alphabetical order. In order to assign an image to the feature property, just edit it, activate the Feature Image option, and upload an image. You can notice that we have uploaded an image in SVG format. This is the recommended format for best rendering, but you can also use other formats, such as PNG, GIF, and JPG. Please note that enabling the option, Enable Feature Image, is important for image saving. If the option is disabled, any uploaded image will be ignored when saving the form. Once the form is saved, we can view the image already uploaded by checking the Features form again. In case you want to delete it, just deactivate the option, Enable Feature Image, and save the form. Now let's move on to the values of the composition feature. For this demo, we will assign images to the values involved: polyester, wool, and cotton. We start with polyester. Just activate the option, upload an image and save. Then, we do the same with the values, wool and cotton. We have finished setting up the images. We can now check the display on the product page. You can notice that the features images are displayed in a default layout and list mode on two columns, with text and a tooltip displayed on the hover of each image. The text to the right of the image is the value of the feature. The text in the tooltip contains either the name of the feature, if the image has been defined at the feature level, or the text of the feature value, if the image has been defined at the feature value level. We can check the display of the characteristic images in another language. You can notice that the order of the features values images can change, as it always follows an alphabetical order. In case you want to change the order of displaying the images defined at the features level, just change the order at the features list level. In this example, if you want to display the image of the property feature before the images related to the composition feature, just place the property feature before the composition feature. Now let's go to the module configuration page. You can enable or disable the module in the Quick View dialog box. By default, this option is enabled, but you can disable it from the configuration page. You can change the size of the images as you wish. To do so, simply update the value in number of pixels. You can choose between two display styles, list mode and grid mode. The main difference between the two styles is the position of the text in relation to the image. In list mode, the text is displayed to the right of the image, and in grid mode, the text is displayed below the image. For each of the two styles, you can define the number of columns for the large screen mode and the mobile mode. This is a grid-style display with 4 columns in large screen mode and 2 columns in mobile mode. Another example of a grid-style display with 3 columns in large screen mode and 3 columns in mobile mode. This is a list-style display with 3 columns in large screen mode and 2 columns in mobile mode. In mobile mode, the tooltip is displayed by tapping on the images. You can enable or disable the display of the feature value text. In list mode, disabling this option allows contiguous display of the feature's images. In grid mode, the arrangement of the images does not change, only the text will not be displayed. You can also adjust the color of the feature value text to match your branding. You can enable or disable the display of the tooltip on hover or touch of the feature image. Finally, you can change the width of the tooltip, its text color and background. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, please reach out to us.